In this chapter, we are going to learn how to work in Windows environment. For example, how can we move each window? How can we change the size of the window? And just understanding what can we do with all these windows. First step, click on Start. Then File Explorer. One click. Now here, look at this, the left hand side is the list of all the different files and folders that I do have. For example, here it says music. If I click on this music folder, in the right hand side here telling me that what I have inside the music folder. Picture. In the right hand side here tell me what do I have inside the picture folder. The same download folder, document folder, even the desktop. Whatever I click on, in the right hand side I can see the contents of that folder. Now look at here it says C, D, E. These are not folders. C is a hard drive, and hard drive is a place that we store everything we have in our computer. All the programs, all the music, all the files, everything that we have it in our hard drive. C colon, these two letters colon, it's the name of the hard drive. So in other words, anytime you see C colon, that means hard drive. So these are different drives. D colon, for example, in this computer is called recovery drive. So you may or you may not have in your computer, but all of you have a C colon. And this is our CD that I'm going to talk about later. But right now, at this point, all I'm going to talk about each windows. This is a window. Right now, I'm opening up a window. Okay? Now, when I have a window, for example, if I do want to move this window, the top part is called title bar. Here. Position my mouse pointer anywhere inside the title bar and just click and drag. Remember in the previous chapter, I pressed the left buttons with one hand, and with the other hand, I just move the mouse. When I'm moving the mouse, I'm lift it up and drag it, or just whatever you have. See that? That is how I can move a window. Down, up, right, or left. It doesn't matter. If I want to change the size of the window, all I have to do, position the mouse pointer to the edge of the window. Doesn't matter. Left, right, top, and bottom, or corner, until it changes to double arrow. And then click and drag again. See that? The windows, right now this window, I change the size. From the top part also, click and then drag. Now if I want to move it, the title bar, any place inside the title bar, click and drag. Click and drag. Now, look at here, make it bigger. See here right now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 different icons. If I click and drag up, I cannot see all my icons. In order to see more, computer gives me a scroll bar. Here, see, I can click inside the scroll bar. This whole bar here is called a scroll bar. Then I can click and then drag. See, I can see the rest of my icons. Scroll up, scroll down, or over this little arrow I can click if I want to move or see line by line. Doesn't matter, up or down. Also I have right and left. See here, if I have more items that I cannot see, automatically I'm going to have a scroll bar. So anytime you see a scroll bar, that means you have more to see. So that's the meaning of a scroll bar. As soon as you saw a scroll bar, just simply go up or down to see more. Now, if I come to the corner, see mouse become double arrow, click and drag both sides, horizontally or vertically or both. See that? That's it. Each corner, doesn't matter which corner I want to go. Top, left corner. So that's what I want from you guys. Now if I open another window, right now, look at here. That means I am looking at desktop folder. If I position my mouse over document and click on that, see, I'm looking at document folder. I'm looking at download folder. Now, these icons that I see it, I can change the view of my icons inside each folder. For example, here it says view. If I click on the view, and right now I'm watching the small. If I say medium, see that? If I say large, if I say extra large, see? That's all it is. All I have to do, just one click. If I click, I see everything in extra large. Then I can click and then drag, click and then drag, click and then drag. Scroll up, scroll down, scroll up and down. So view here, now a small icon, see that? Here it says details. If I click on details, I can see each icon, when the last time somebody worked on it, and which type of program or file is that. I get more information under view here. So view here gives me a lot of options that I have. Alright, now let's see, I want to open another folder. If I click on document folder, then the previous folder I cannot see it anymore. All I can see my document folder. Always look at here. Now if I do want to see the previous folder too, I can position my mouse pointer over the icon and press right button. Right buttons gives me a menu. And now here it says open in a new window. If I click on it, now I have two folders. I can click and then drag it over here. See that? Music. I want to open music folder also, but not in the same windows, in a different window. Right buttons and then open in a new window. See that? Now anything, picture, right click, open in a new window. I have four. I can click and drag. I can come over here, make this one a little bit smaller. Now, I do want you to remember clicking. If I'm here, just click. Once I'm making this folder come on the top. In other words, I made this folder active. If I click here, I made this folder active. That's why you have to be careful when you're clicking something. Look at where is the mouse pointer first and then click. Do not forget this advice. Before you click, first look at the mouse pointer. Where is it? And then click, because that makes sometimes a big difference. Alright? The X is to close it. What is this one then? This is says maximize. Right now I'm inside the picture folder. If I click on it, I'm maximizing. That means the size of this folder covers the whole screen. Other folders, there are other windows that are underneath of this picture window. The same place that I did maximize, if I click on it, I'm restoring it to previous size. So maximize and restore. And how about here? Minimize. I don't know what the minimize means. If I click on it, I don't see it. So what is the X then? X is to close. If I click this, it says download. If I click on that, I'm closing it. I don't have it. So how about the other one in the previous chapter about task view? If I click on it, it tells me everything I have open. See? So in other words, click on it, picture is alive. See that? Because I minimize it. When you minimize it, you are not closing the windows. You just say temporarily get away from my eyes. I want to do something else. But if I want that again, I'm coming to task view, one click, I can see it here, then I can just click on it or whatever it is that I can click on it. I can see it again. I need to tell you in Windows 10, if you want to turn off your computer, just look at here, this corner under start button, one click. Here it says power. Click on the power, shut down, sleep or restart. Just click on that. It's going to be shutting down your computer.